we are back with an amazing place where you can dine out with your friends. And yes, of course, this is an Indian cuisine. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Angara restaurant is located in downtown. So this place not only impresses with ambience but also with its delicious food. And happy meal leads to a happy day, right? If you haven't added this to your list, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned to more such videos. Bye guys, see you in our next video.